Hello there! I'm here again to remind you about our Start Fast and Go Far promo. So until tomorrow na lang po ang mga affiliates who are old affiliates, okay? So at least hindi ko pa kayo hinayaan at hindi ko po pinabayaan ang reminder sa inyo dahil po ang ating fast start is our key to unlock the 2.3 million for 1 year. So tomorrow po, up to the last second po, marami pa pong mangyayari. Okay? So sana po, wag niyong kaligtaan if you can still have a chance or still have a way to get that Start Fast and Go Far promo, which is 400 LP. Okay? We are only given three essential packs. Okay? Yung 400 na essential, complete essential, or another 400 na complete essential core package. Yung core po is Transfer Factor Plus, and Uvida Juice. Okay? And the professional essential package. So, yun po ang ating chance to have our Start Fast and Go Far promo. Okay? So, I hope so kasi po pag once na nakahabol pa po tayo, malaki po yung chance natin na makukuha po natin lahat ng incentives up to 2.3 million. Depende po yun sa posisyon na maaabot natin within 1 year. So, lahat po ay makukuha po natin lahat ng incentives the moment you are in the game of For Life, which is our Start Fast and Go Far promo. Pasensya na po kayo, nabubulol ako. And tomorrow po, pinaka-last po natin is up to the 12 o'clock in the midnight. Okay? So, according to Jordan or Michael Jordan, as long as the game is not yet over, it is not yet over until it is really over. So, kahit sa seconds po, marami pong nangyayaring miracle. Okay? So, please, wag niyong kaligtaan, wag niyong kalimutan, tomorrow, though, it is holiday, but there's always a way for us to process the purchase. Either it is a repeat purchase, either it is a regular purchase of 400 LP to 800 LP, you can still have it if you really want it. Okay? So, wala pong imposible, hingin natin kay Lord para po ibibigay niya sa atin. Kasi minsan nga hindi tayo humihingi, pero nabibigyan pa rin po tayo ng biyaya. So, ano pa kaya kapag hinihingi natin? So, sana po isa ito sa magiging susi na tayo po ay maging tagumpay sa ating For Life business. Okay? So, tomorrow is the last day of our Start Fast and Go Far promo. So, wag niyong kalimutan, if you need my help, my assistance, please, just call me, just text me, message me, lahat ng anong paraan na ma-call ninyo ang attention ko because I'm going to help you. Just ready your payment, either Chikas, Maya, or credit card so that I can assist you and we can ask help from our upline surgeon, Aureliana. Okay? So, yan lang po. Sana po, wag niyong kaligtaan, wag niyong kalimutan. Kung gugustuhin, maraming paraan. Pero kung nagdadahilan tayo, dahil ayaw po natin. Okay? So, yun lang po yun. Pero kung sa palagay ninyo, ito po ay napakagandang opportunity para sa inyo. Sa totoo lang, nasa huli po talagang pagsisisi. Kapag kayo po ay hindi po nakapagsali sa ating Start Fast and Go Far promo, at kapag nakakuha po kayo ng tao na magaling sa building or magaling sa team building, okay? Siya ay builder. Kaya niyang kumuha ng position, up the higher position. You cannot enjoy any of the double incentives. Only one lang, hindi na magiging doble. Instead, you will enjoy the double incentives per positioning na makukuha ninyo. Hindi nyo na po yun makukuha as double because you were not able to enter into a fast start or Start Fast and Go Far promo. Okay? You should be in the game of this promo. Okay? So tomorrow, and another thing is, for those who are going to register anytime, mga new po sila, they are new enrollee, they can still have until December. So lahat ng mga bago nyo, lahat ng mga prospect ninyo, which is going to enter pa lang, offer the Start Fast and Go Far promo para po sila ay ma-enjoy lahat ng incentives na kayang ibibigay ng 4Life, which is the double incentives per positioning or per rank up. Yun yung tinatawag na break rank. Like for example, kayo po ay isang affiliate, dumiretso kayo sa builder, dumiretso kayo sa presidential, let's say, kaya nyo mag-invest, dumiretso ka sa presidential, so lahat ng mga incentives na nalaktawan ninyo sa builder, sa QD Elite, yan po ay makukuha ninyo, okay? So makukuha ninyo ang double incentives, 5,6, 11,2, 16,800, and then the 22,000, and so forth, kung ano po yung napasukan ninyong pinakamataas ninyong mapapasok. So pag hindi po kayo nakapagpasok sa Start Fast and Go Far promo, hindi, kumbaga single incentives lang, hindi siya magdo-double ang inyong makukuha. So better grab this chance, okay? So yun lang po. Huwag po nating kaligtaan. This is our chance now and tomorrow. For the old affiliates is the last chance tomorrow. For those who are going to entry pa, kaya pa po until December. So yun lang po. Maraming salamat and God bless us all. Thank you!